swishing with silly old Tom. Feeling young.
Today we're talking about the locked workshop. Hey folks, how's it going? Let me ask you a question. What if someone handed you the finest workshop in the world? Every tool you could ever imagine is hanging neatly on the wall. Every machine brand new. Every drawer is full. But there's one problem. Nobody ever showed you how to turn any of it on. Would that workshop have any value? Of course it would. Would it help you build anything? No, not until you learn how to use the tools that are in it. So I think life is a lot like that. Okay, most of us are already we already have access to incredible tools. We've got good nutrition, we have movement, we have rest. Hydration, managing stress, learning encouragement, and people willing to help us. The challenge isn't always finding another tool. Sometimes it's literally learning how to use the one we already have in our hand. Knowledge opens the door. Consistent action builds the project. Now, this week we're going to step into that workshop together and look at a few simple tools that can help us build a healthier, stronger, and more prosperous life. Until then, keep your hat on straight, keep learning, and keep building. I'd like to add, don't forget, DM me, sample on me. You'll get a free simple switch packet. It's got 3 vials in it. It gives you 3 days worth of trying out our product and give you a chance to know what we're talking about. Celio Tom out saying, thank you for being here.